welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I was excited to go shopping today. I actually was. I'm like, man, there's like no deals at all, but I actually found some really good stuff. It ended up becoming a money maker for me, so I was pretty excited for that. So I'm gonna share with you guys the deals that I got. So I ended up getting these special These are currently two for $4. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You can also print these from the Kellogg's Family Rewards if you guys do need more. But you guys would pay $3 for 2 of them. But you can submit a 45-cent rebate and a 45-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.10. That's $1.05 a box if you guys need one of these. So my husband loves this, so I definitely wanted to not pass that up because he likes to get some cereal too. Now I ended up getting the Werthers originals. Now make sure you do scan the products before you guys purchase it, just to make sure. These are currently 2 for $4. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $3 for the both of these, but you can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2. That's $1 a bag. If you guys need some Werthers, go for it. It has to be it's got to be the sugar-free ones for it to qualify for Ibotta. Here is a coupon that I had a digital coupon for some pens. I love the clickables. I got these too, but this was $3.49. These were $2.99. They're currently buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to buy both of these? How come I did not even do the math for this? I was writing it down and then I totally forgot to space, you guys. I'm so sorry. Let me figure it out real quick. $3.49 and then it's 50% off. And then I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupons. So you guys will get them for $1.98. That's 99 cents a pack. It's an okay deal if you guys need to stock up on some pens. I have so many pens, it's ridiculous, but you know what? It's fine. Totally fine. So that was one bag that I got. Now there is a digital coupon for $2 off either Irish Springs or soft soap. It's one or the other. So these are these are on sale for $3.99. You guys want to use a $2 off digital coupon. You guys would just get this for $1.99. So either $1.99 for Irish Springs or soft soap. I felt like we used to get these for free all the time. Now I barely even have these. I think this is the only Irish Spring I probably have in my house because it's just crazy. We haven't been getting the deals that we did. You can get this or Downy. These are currently on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll just get this for $1.99. So if you guys need to stock up on any of that. I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. Now we do have a $1 off digital coupon. Then I went to Colgate.com. If you guys can't find that, the best website, and I need to do a video about this and I keep saying it, is go to Lozo, Lozo.com, and you guys can find printable coupons for Colgate. It'll take you directly to that website. So I used a 75-cent off printable coupon and a $1 off digital coupon. These are $2.99. You guys use both of those coupons. You would pay $4.23, but then you'll get a $4 register reward is basically what you guys will get for it. So these come out to be just 23 cents. And I usually say you want to get toothpaste for free, but you know what? 23 cents I think is still a good deal. I technically did get it for free because my haul is a moneymaker. Now there is a deal going on with Venus and Gillette. Now there's probably a cheaper deal with Gillette, but I love Venus and my stockpile is dwindling, so I ended up doing it this way because this is my personal preference. Sometimes you got to pay a little bit more to get what you need. So I ended up getting these. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon for this one, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for this one. This is $7.99, and this is $4.49. Okay, buy one get one 50% off. For both of these, you guys would pay $7.23, but you will get $4 cash. So basically, you get $4 in points attached to your card, making it $3.23 or $1.61. Might not be the greatest deal for you guys, but remember, I do get an employee discount, so I wanted to take advantage of it. So definitely go ahead and do this. And then you guys can, I always forget this, but submit your receipts to PG. I really forget this every single time. But for me, I think this is a pretty good deal. Now you guys can still get this, and you can get a men's shave. The men's shave was like $3.49, so it's $1 a little bit cheaper. So you guys would get these for $2.23 possibly. If you did that. But you want to look under the sale tags. Okay. Sorry you guys, I ran out of memory somehow, and I have a card that takes a lot of memory. So the next deal you guys want to do is the Gillette. Now you want to make sure you guys check under your tags. If you check out my video, I think these were like $3 or $4 something, but they're actually marked down to $2.89 underneath the sticker, and they were still buy one get one 50% off. So I'm like, I'm gonna chance it. So these were $2.89 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $4.33 for this, but I did get my $4 cash. I did do a separate transaction with this deal versus the Venus just to be on the safe side. So I did get $4 cash with this. So these come out to be just 33 cents. That's a great deal if you guys need to do that. But yeah, like I said, I did do separate transactions just to be on the safe side, because you never know with some of those deals. So I did do that deal. I ended up doing the Crest toothpaste. These were $4 a piece. You guys want to buy 2 of them. I used a $2 off coupon and a $2 off coupon from today's P&G. You guys would pay $4 for both of these, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making it absolutely for free. So that is a pretty good deal. Now this is a deal I was actually pretty excited about. So there's a couple freebies in the Ibotta app that I wanted to do. So I'm like, okay, muscle milk, and my store sells it for $4, and there's a $2.99 rebate for it. So I'm like, no, not gonna do that. But then I looked at the regular muscle milk, and I saw that I had a $3 off digital coupon and a $2 off digital coupon, okay? So these are 2 for $14 or $7.99 a piece. So I bought 2 of them at $14 a piece. I had a $3 off coupon and a $4 off digital coupon. You guys would pay $7 for 2 of these, okay? But you guys can submit $2.50 on Ibotta times 2. So you guys will get $5 back with Ibotta, making these just $2. That is a quarter, you guys, a drink, which I think is a pretty good deal. So if you guys need some muscle milk, definitely go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try to get my son to drink that, just because it might help him with the protein and stuff that he needs. But that is everything that I got, you guys. I was gonna try to get other deals, but I totally forgot that it's kind of a new month. So there is a new Walgreens booklet you guys definitely want to check out. So my total came to $20.39 for 2 transactions. I did not pay with any points. I've been trying to kind of gain my points up, but $20.39. I got $13.42 back. Now I had a 10 off a 30 curbside purchase, and that actually came off at the register. And then I think I had like a $5, no, that didn't come off. No, that did not come off. But I had like a 5,000 points, I think, when I made 2 transactions over $20, I think. So that might have came in for something, I don't know. But I did receive 2 $4 register rewards for $4. So I got $8 back in register rewards. And then I received $7.10. I had a 10-cent any receipt rebate. And then I also had a 10-cent protein drink or whatever rebate. So my grand total, you guys, came to an $8.13 moneymaker. One transaction I got $4.12 back, and another transaction I got $9.30 back. Yeah, so I got 5,000 points for something that I did with that I had clipped to my card. So $8.13, I will totally take it. So yes, that was my haul. It turned out to be absolutely awesome and exactly how I wanted it to be. I was not expecting to get a moneymaker, but you guys know what? It's a slow week, and hopefully next year, which is next week, it'll be a whole lot better of a deal. If you guys enjoyed my video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.